The Bosch boiler error code C4 indicates a problem with the differential pressure switch, which can be caused by a damaged diaphragm flap or a clogged flue pipe. To fix this issue, it's essential to identify and address the root cause. Checking the diaphragm flap is a good starting point, as it may be stuck in an open position due to damage, preventing the electrical circuit from being completed when the boiler is switched on. If the diaphragm flap is found to be faulty, it should be replaced. Alternatively, the flue pipe may be clogged, preventing waste gases from escaping the system. To clean the flue pipe, start by switching off the boiler at the power source and inspecting the pipe. Remove the flue damper and use a flashlight to examine the inside of the pipe. Use a flue brush and extensions to wash the inside of the pipe. Then reattach the damper. By following these steps, the error code C4 can be resolved, and the boiler can function properly again.